Welcome back to Ponderosa Garden Adventures. I'm Sharon. I'm glad you joined us today. In the video today, I'm going to be continuing our fall cleanup series, and I'm going to be working here in Tuscany on our flower garden that I call Windsor. And so we're going to refresh the soil, do some weeding, generally get it ready for fall and mulch it up. So join us. All right, here's where we're going to be working today. So I've already weeded Windsor, and I've got my gorilla cart full of grow mulch to kind of refresh the soil, and you can see the soil level in the bed has gone down, so we want to bring that up and get some more nutrients in the soil, and so that's what we're going to do. Now, what I have is some old wildflower mix that I've had in the shed. We cleaned out the shed. We talked about the shed project that we had, and one of the things that was in there was this ginormous wildflower mix that I've had for years and years, which I realized that the germination rate might be pretty small, but we're going to go ahead and give it a shot. Not going to hurt anything to give it a go. So, I'm just going to go ahead and germination rate will be a little lower. We're going to put it on a little heavier than we normally would. See what we get. All right, all that's left is to run the water and soak it in. All right, so there we go. All tidied up. I still need to put the stand in for the succulent teacup. You can see it here. That's why we call it Windsor, because we've got, and you may not be able to see it, it is a wrought iron teacup, and we've got it planted with succulents, and there's a base and a stand that it sits on, and anyway, so that'll be put back later, but let's zoom back out so you can see. Sorry for the jumpiness there. There we go. There's Windsor, and for reference, Windsor is here in Tuscany, right next to our grapevine arch that we just talked about in the other video, or maybe you haven't seen it yet. If you haven't seen it yet, it's coming up soon. Right. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching me do that cleanup and wildflower planting. We'll see what we get in the spring. It'll be wonderful to see what things return, and if we get an abundance of wildflowers from that seed that was just waiting for its turn in the shed. Thanks for joining me here, Ponderosa Garden Adventures. We love bringing these videos to you. If you were entertained by this video, or you got some inspiration, or just enjoyed a little break in your day, would you give us a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more, and share with friends so we can help grow the channel. And till next time.